Hi everyone and welcome back. Before we jump into creating images, let's first understand what Midjourney actually is. Midjourney is an AI tool that helps you create images just by typing words. You don't need to be a designer. Just write what is in your mind and Midjourney will turn it into a picture. Now, there are two ways to use Midjourney: Discord and web app. It is midjourney.com. The Discord version is the classic one. It's been around since the start. You type your prompt in chat rooms and the bot gives you images. But now there is a new web app. This one is super simple. You type your prompt in a search bar, just like Google, and get results in your own private workspace. So which one is better? Honestly, both are good. Discord has more features, but the web app is easier for beginners. In this course, I will show you how to work with the web app. One important thing: Midjourney is not free. You need to buy subscription to use it. I will explain the plans and how to buy an account in the next lesson.